Exercise 1.1 set theory or sets, standard 11. Question number 3. Write the following sets in roster form. First of all, we'll understand what is a roster form. Elements or objects written inside the curly bracket is called a which one? Roster form. Okay, so first question. A is equal to x such that x is an integer and x is between -3 to 7. Okay, so first of all, we'll draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. Okay, -1, -2, -3, then -4 up to so on. Okay, now between -3 to 7, what are the integers? -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I write here A is equal to those elements -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is called a roster form. We have enlisted what? The elements x which are between -3 to 7 inside the curly bracket, and hence it is a roster form. Now second, B is equal to a set x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So what are the natural numbers less than 6? In this number line only I am explaining. What are the natural numbers less than 6? Natural numbers which starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I write in a curly bracket, that is equal to, if I write, or therefore B is equal to, like this, therefore B is equal to, this is the roster form we are writing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is nothing but a roster form of this set. Roster form of this set, natural number less than 6. Okay. Third, C, x such that x is a 2-digit number such that the sum of the digits is 2. Okay, so what are the 2-digit numbers? Starts from where? 10. Okay, so if I write 10, then here there are 2 digits, 1 and 0. 1 plus 0 is how much? 1. But we want the sum should be how much? 8. Okay, then think about 11. 1 plus 1, 2. No, we don't want. Then 12. 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, like that if we move, you will get what? 17. So first letter will give what? 17. Why? Because 1 plus 7 is equal to 8 and it is a 2-digit number. Then 26, then 35, 44, 53, then 62, then 71, and last 80. Why 80 is also there? 80 is a 2-digit number and the sum of the digits 8 plus 0 is 8. Okay, so this is nothing but a roster form of this set. Okay, next, x is such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So what are the divisors of 60? 1, 60, 2, 15, or 230, sorry, 230, 230, 2 into 30, 60, then 3, 10, 360, how much? 320. Then next is what? 4, 4 into how much gives 60, 15. Okay, then 5, and what? 5 ones are 5 twos are 12. Then 6 and 10. Okay, 6 and 10 here I am writing 6 and 10. Okay, these are the which one? Divisors of 60. But we want prime numbers which is a divisor of 60. So what are the prime numbers here? What are the prime numbers? You can see first prime number is 2. 1 is an exceptional case. 1 is not a prime number. So 2, then what? 3, then what? 5. Okay, 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Others all are which one? Not a prime numbers. Okay, composite numbers we can say, x and 1. So this is a answer. 2, 3, 5 is nothing but a prime number which is divisor of 60. Now next, the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So how many? What are the letters used here? See, first letter is T, then R, then I, then G, then O, then N. Now again O in set, one property is there or one point is there that the element should not be repeated. O already has occurred here, so we don't have to write O again. Element is not repeated, so O will not write again. Then M, then E is not used here. Okay, E. Then T already used, will not write. Then R is already used. Then Y. just to see whether a letter is repeated or not. T is not repeated, R is not repeated, I, OK, G, O, N, N, E, Y, trigonometry. So this is nothing but a which one roster form of this set. Now F, same way you can think about F, the set of all letters in the word better. Okay, so first B, then E, then T. T we will not write again because one is already appeared. E also will not write again. R. So this is nothing but a which one roster form of this set, the set of all letters in the word better. Okay, now question number 2, write the following sets in the set builder form. Now set builder form means what? By observing some common characteristics of the elements of the set, we can describe it in our own method. That method is said to be a set builder form. Okay, so how to write? Or therefore you say, therefore A is equal to. Now observe the elements or characteristics of the elements of this. This is 3, then 6, then 9, then 12. So you observe that it is a multiple of 3. You see 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are, 3 4s are. Okay. So we will write x is such that x is equal to 3n, where n is nothing but a natural number. And n is less than what? 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are, 3 4, less than 5. Or even you can write n is less than equal to 4 also. Okay. So x is such that x is equal to 3n, where n belongs to n, where n is less than 5. So one by one you put the values. First natural number is 1. So when you put here 1 in place of n, 3 1s are 3. So first value of x is what? 3. Then you put 2, 3 2s are 6, second element, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 5 we don't have to take. Okay. Same way for this set, elements, you observe the characteristics. 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 4, 2 raised to 3, 8, 2 raised to 4, 16, 2 raised to 5, 32. Okay, so we will write x is such that x is equal to 2 raised to n, where n is a natural number and n is less than what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So less than equal to 5 also you can write, or less than 6 also you can write. When you put 1 by 1 value, n is equal to 1, 2 raised to 1, 2. When you put n is equal to 2, 2 raised to 2, 4, 2 raised to 3, 8, 2 raised to 4, 16, 2 raised to 5, 32. You have to take up to 5 only. Okay. Now third you observe 5, 1s are 5, or 5 raised to 1 we think, 5 raised to 2, 25, 5 raised to 3, 125, 5 raised to 5 raised to 4, 625. So this is x is such that x is equal to 5 raised to n, where n is nothing but a natural number and n is less than what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we can write, or n is less than equal to 4, whichever you like. So put n is equal to 1, 5 raised to 1, 5, 5 raised to 2, 5 5s are 25, 5 raised to 3, 5 5s are 25 into 5, 125. Okay, 5 raised to 4, 25 into 25, 625. Okay. Now D is equal to, again you observe the elements, characteristics or properties 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is nothing but a multiple of 2, or we can say even natural numbers. So x is such that x is equal to 2n, where n belongs to n. All natural numbers are covered. See, a dot dot here is even up to infinite. So same way here x belongs to n. When n is equal to 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, up to so on. Okay. Now fifth you observe E, 1, 4, 9 up to 100. So 1 means 1 square, 4 means 2 square, 9 means 3 square, up to 100 means 10 square. So here x is equal to, x is such that x is equal to n square, where n is nothing but a natural number and n is less than what? Equal to 100 you write, 10 you write. Okay, when n is equal to 1, 1 square is 1, n is equal to 2, 2 square is 4, n is equal to 3, 3 square is 9, up to n is equal to 10, 10 square is 100. So these are the which one? Set builder form of the given set, and in the question 3 we had seen the roster form of the which one? Given set.